Imagine stepping into a cozy retreat nestled in the heart of Campos do Jordao, where warmth and charm greet you at every turn. Welcome to Chale Pinot calm Lareira, a hidden gem that promises an unforgettable escape. Want to experience it for yourself? Don't forget to scan the QR code on your screen or check the video description for more details. This enchanting two-bedroom chalet blends rustic elegance with modern comfort, offering a serene getaway just moments from the vibrant Capivari Park and the historic Emilio Ribas Train Station. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by a living room adorned with a flat-screen TV and streaming services, perfect for cozy evenings by the crackling fireplace. The fully equipped kitchen, complete with a microwave and toaster, invites you to whip up your favorite meals, while the spacious seating area sets the scene for relaxation and conversation. Two well-appointed bathrooms, plush towels, and soft bed linen ensure your stay is as comfortable as it is memorable. Outside, a private balcony and terrace beckon you to soak in the fresh mountain air, while the lush garden offers a tranquil spot to unwind. With free private parking and Wi-Fi, Chale Pinot calm Lareira caters to both leisure and remote work, featuring a dedicated desk workspace for those who need to stay connected. Conveniently located near the cable car and Elephant Hill, this chalet is your gateway to adventure yet feels worlds away from the everyday. Ready to book your stay? Scan the QR code on screen or explore the video description for all the details. Your dream retreat in Campos do Jordao awaits.